This 2019 Coachmen Mirada Select 37 TB is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Coachmen RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachmen is 37 feet 4 inches in length and features sleep 6, smoke detector, TV, skylight, auxiliary battery, TV antenna, external shower, self-contained, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, water heater, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A RV features outdoor entertainment, 2 full baths. This 2019 Coachmen Mirada Select 37 TB is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Coachmen RV.